Hey guys, what's up? It's Good85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for God of War on the PS4. So I picked this up today on release. Really looking forward to playing this. It's been getting pretty much perfect scores everywhere. Um, so we'll see what I think of it. Judging by what I've looked so far, it looks really good. And like I say, I'm really looking forward to playing it. So yeah, on the front you can see we have Kratos and we have his son Atreus. So yeah, apparently this is like a soft reboot of the God of War franchise. So yeah, so as you can see, he's also got a hammer now rather than chains. So that's nice. There's the side, and there's the back. Oh yeah, it's set in Norse mythology now as well, instead of Greek mythology. So that's cool. 500 gig minimum. And PS4 Pro Enhanced. And inside we have just your usual like manual like button thing. And we have the disc itself. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing for God of War on the Xbox One. Yeah, of course, on the PS4. If you like this, guys, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye bye.